how's it going, everybody? Joe here, looking to bring another box for you, another unboxing. And this time we have Watch Gang. They are a monthly subscription club. They're a watch of the month club, basically. They send you a watch every month for you to keep. It is yours to keep. You don't have to make any payments on it or anything like that. You pay your monthly subscription fee and they send you a watch that is yours every month to keep. And there's different tier levels that you can get in on it with Watch Gang. There's, I believe, 4 different tier levels. There's the black level, which I think is around $50 a month. There's the gold level. There's the platinum level. And then there's, I forget what the last one is called or if it's even around anymore. It's not listed on their website. But each one has its different pricing, monthly pricing, and I'll put the different monthly tiers in the description so you can check that out if you're interested in this box. So this is the 2018 edition, June 2018 edition of the Watch Gang Club. This is the platinum tier right here, and it comes in a this one comes in a really cool looking wooden box. And this watch is from Out of Order, Damaged in Italy. You see that? Interesting name for it. But let's open it up and see how it looks. I already kind of cheated a little bit and opened it up earlier and checked out the watch and priced it to see how much it's worth. And because one thing that they do tell you is that with every price level that you subscribe to, the watch that they send you is guaranteed to be worth more than what you paid for it. So this is this month's platinum tier level watch. Let you see. It looks like it's basically a diver's watch. It is made in Italy, and it comes with 2 different straps. Let you take a look at that. Very nice looking watch, I think. And this is the Out of Order Damaged in Italy. This is the Iron Bridge limited edition watch. It's got a real nice red faceplate on it. I should say a real nice looking red ring around the faceplate. And it just looks very spectacular, I think, really. It checked it out earlier on the website for this company, and this particular model is a limited edition. They only made 200 pieces of this watch right here. Wait for the clock to get done there. So this is a limited edition watch. Like I said, they only made 200 pieces of this watch. And on the back, I think, of every watch, there's a number showing which one you got of the 200. And so like I said, I checked out the website of this particular watch and checked out the value of it. And according to the website, this particular watch right here retails for $901, which I can see. It's a very, very nice looking watch. And this is the little pamphlet that they send you with Watch Gang for this month for the platinum tier level, the June 2018 Father's Day edition. And this is my first watch from the Watch Gang Club. And I've got to say, I really do like this watch. It'll go in my collection. I'll wear it with my other watches that I'm planning on getting. And yeah, I think I'll definitely be staying on with this club for a while at least. So, here in about another 30 days or so, I'll be opening up another box to share with them. Until then, you all take care.